Does anything say summer more than a cool glass of iced tea on a baking hot day? When you think about iced tea, your mind might go to wraparound porches and rocking chairs or ice tinkling on the side of a glass pitcher. However you like to drink your iced tea, sweetened or unsweetened, green or black, straight up or spiked, and wherever you like to enjoy it, there's an iced tea maker to help you out. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 iced tea makers on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Ovalware RJ3 Cold Brew Maker. If you're looking for a glass iced tea maker, as recommended by Yasuda for the best flavored iced tea, this is a great choice from Ovalware. Not only is it a high-quality product, but it also has a very stylish, compact design that will look great on your picnic or barbecue table. It will also be easy to store in your kitchen, even if you don't have a huge amount of spare room. The base is made from silicone, which ensures it won't slip and slide around. There's a handle to make pouring easy, and the filter is made from stainless steel and is very fine, so tea leaves or coffee grounds won't escape. The Ovalware iced tea maker is versatile and can be used to make iced tea, cold brew coffee, and fruit-infused water. Since it's made from glass, the coffee flavors won't linger if you're planning to use it for both drinks. Number 2. Pure Zen Tea Tumbler with Infuser. If you're looking for a stylish, high-quality iced tea maker you can use on the go, look to Pure Zen Tea. Small enough to put in your bag for the day but with enough capacity to make 0.4 quarts of tea, there's plenty of liquid for one person. This infuser is constructed from double-wall borosilicate glass and can be used to make both hot and cold tea. It's an easy product to clean as both ends of the vessel can be removed, and the infuser can also be removed from the lid. Plus, it's leak-proof so you can toss it in a bag and take it with you wherever. Due to its compact size, it hardly requires any kitchen space for storage. If you're looking for the best iced tea maker for the whole family, this will be too small as it is only meant for one person. Number 3. Primula the Big Iced Tea Maker. If you're catering for a large party of iced tea lovers, or you just really love quaffing iced tea, the Primula Big Iced Tea Pitcher is the one to go for. It has a very impressive 4-quart capacity. It's a relatively simple product, with a large shatterproof Triton plastic pitcher and a central core that holds both loose leaf or bagged tea. Again, we'd always recommend loose leaf tea for the best flavor, plus fruits, vegetables, and herbs for fun infusion combinations. The manual design is effective, and it comes with an airtight lid and a slip-proof handle to ensure you don't spill 4 quarts of iced tea everywhere. Like the other Primula iced tea maker on our list, you can use this pitcher for both hot and cold brewing methods. Helpfully, the pitcher is dishwasher safe, if you can fit it in. Number 4. Primula 2.9 Quart Black Flavor. The Primula Flavor It pitcher has a lot going for it. You get multiple features for the price, as it comes with 3 cores, one to infuse tea, one to infuse fruit, vegetables, or herbs, and a chill core made from a freezable gel to keep your iced tea cold without diluting it. As a bonus, all the components of this maker, apart from the chill core, are dishwasher safe, which is great news since infusers are often tricky to clean. Plus, the parts are easy to separate as each one comes with a handle. It holds 93 ounces of tea, which should keep most families and parties happily hydrated. Despite its large size, you should be able to fit it in your refrigerator easily. It will fit in the door of most. The lid is leak-proof and airtight, and the handle is non-slip. Number 5. Breville Tea Maker. If you're a tea connoisseur who knows different teas need to be brewed at different temperatures, it doesn't get much better than the very stylish Breville the Tea Maker. This isn't specifically an iced tea maker, but it can be used to make all types of tea. There are automatic, pre-programmed settings for green, black, herbal, oolong, white, and custom tea, plus settings for whether you want your brew to be mild, medium, or strong. If you're also a forgetful tea connoisseur, the basket will automatically retract after a specified amount of time so your tea is never overstepped, which is an impressive detail. The basket also keeps the tea leaves moving during the brewing process to ensure the best result. It is not dishwasher safe, so it will need to be carefully cleaned by hand. The infuser basket is removable, though, which makes it easier to wash. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.